Oh, something's at the door. Something's at the door. Let's see what we got. Oh man. What do we have here? Oh man, I am so excited for this, you guys. Not the tallest guy in the world, but it's a pretty tall box. What do you guys think it is? Pause. Post in the comments. What do you think it is? And while you guys are doing that, we're gonna open it up. You guys see that? All right, guys, so you guys just saw next piece for the Type R. In the mail, I just got from EPR International a forged carbon fiber insert that will actually replace the middle factory blade on the Type R itself. This is a OE replacement, so it's a direct bolt-on. And of course, like we do on this channel, we will show you exactly how to remove the OEM center blade and put on the new one. Some of you guys may be wondering, what the heck is EPR? Who is EPR? EPR is based out of China. They specialize in OE applications, replicas, and they even manufacture their own one-off designs. And in this case, this would be considered their Varus style. However, Varus does not produce a forged carbon fiber wing themselves. And so this is a different take on the style. So that should be a good, nice touch. So now you guys have seen the piece. Let's take a look at the car. As you can see, it's gonna be a similar shape to OEM, but you can already tell how much more it's gonna stick up. I am unbelievably impressed with the quality of this wing itself already. The feel of it, the finish of it, the lack of imperfections. Before we go ahead and install this, we are gonna ceramic coat it. So we'll talk about that a little bit. We'll prep the surface. We'll do an isopropyl alcohol mixture, remove any decontaminants, oils. You guys can see on my original piece, I actually put the same vinyl piece that's on the bumpers and diffusers. Should I do that to this one? Put down in the comments. What do you guys think? As you can see, it has the same exact holes. So, before we go ahead and install this, we're gonna go ahead and clean this up with an isopropyl mixture. Do a light clay bar and ceramic coat it. So we went ahead here and decontaminated that, got all the oils from shipment, packaging, stuff like that off that was unnecessary on there. We'll go ahead and coat it with 2 layers of the CQ Quartz UK Edition 3.0. I've used this stuff on my wheels, plastics, their plastic version. So we'll go ahead and treat this to the same. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and begin the installation process on the center wing itself. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and remove this one first. Some tools that you guys are gonna need is a T30 bit or a T30 driver. T27 will fit in there and it will give you a little bit of slack in there, but I would definitely recommend not doing anything under T30 itself. This fits perfectly snug. They are torqued in there pretty heavy, so in order to get enough grip or proper grip without stripping it, I went ahead and grabbed a small 1/4 inch ratchet, small extension. I also grabbed a 1/4 socket, and then the actual T30 itself. All right guys, so the first thing you guys are gonna do is remove each of these covers, and that is just the Phillips head there on each side. Underneath that, you will find the 2 T30 screws. And those are torqued pretty heavy. Once you remove the cover, guys, that will expose the screws. And you'll want to go ahead and break them. They're going to be pretty tough to break, and that's okay. Once you go ahead and remove both of those off, the cover and the set of T30 bolts, have them all laid out right there. You will notice that it lets a lot of pressure off the center piece. It'll move a little bit. So all we're gonna do is pull this off to the side a little bit, and then we can go and squeeze that out. All right guys, so let's go and wrap up this install here. To go ahead and reinstall this, you'll go ahead and slide one end first onto the same exact bracket and line up the holes. You guys may be wondering, how good is the fitment? How good are the hole lineup? You can see the hole line up perfectly. Guys, the quality on this is solid. I'm really happy with this purchase a lot. Some people find that EPR is hit or miss. Some of you guys may not even realize that you guys are buying EPR products at times that are actually just remanufactured or relabeled, to be honest with you. If you guys have questions in the comments about where to buy it, how to buy it, the process, I think shipment from start to finish, purchase process time waiting was about 1 month because they actually had to make it from scratch. But it looks beautiful, especially the Sonic Gray. What is next? So, waiting on Aerospec Racing. They're gonna go ahead and manufacture us some forged carbon badges with a white insert. So I think that'll really flow really nice with the car. And if I can find somebody to make a forged carbon piece right here, that would be ultimate goals right there. But I have yet to find someone yet. So if you guys know in the comments of someone who can manufacture this piece in forged carbon fiber, let me know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I appreciate you guys tuning back into the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, comments, drop them down. And as always, thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned.